welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've finished this little lamp. So I thought I'd show you what it looks like finished. It is on both sides, however the thickness of the acrylic means that it's quite fun placing on the opposite side and trying to make sure, it depends on what angle you hold it at, but if you hold it straight you shouldn't see any of the numbers underneath. If you hold it on an angle then you probably will, but this was pretty fun to do. Let me find my wire that I've already got from micro USB and I'll show you sort of what it looks like lit up. Let me just turn my lights off. There we go. So you can see it's quite cute lit up. When you first plug it in it changes all colours, and then when you hit on this you can choose what colour. So if I tap on this, so we've got, oh no, that's done a quicker flash. Okay, there we go. So that does one colour. Tap it again, you get another colour. So you can pick what colour that you want. But I think that's pretty cute. I think that's quite sweet anyway. So bear with me for the flash now. Ooh, there we go, while my camera adjusts to my lights going back on. So yeah, this kit I got from AliExpress. It's one of the quickest things that actually shipped. Don't know why. It was in a bright pink bubble envelope. Maybe that had something to do with it. But apart from the number 9, which there was only 2, one on each side of the bigger stars, I have loads left of all the others. They have given more than enough for what's needed. In effect, I reckon I could do probably a second one. Apart from the number 9, I could probably get a second one done from it. But I thought I'd show you what it looks like finished. You do get the wire in it. There's just been no point in me unwrapping that because I've already got one. But I think that's cute. There's a few different designs, but I did go for sort of the baby theme, and it does come out so that you can pop it back into the box that it came in. But I know a couple of people that have either had babies recently or are due them, so I'm sure I'll be able to pass this on to one of them. But I thought I'd let you know what it looks like. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.